Hey, what is up everyone, welcome back to brand new video. In this video I'm gonna be sharing with you a new update of the VMOS Pro, a new version of the VMOS Pro 1.1.40. The link is gonna be available on the description of this video. You can download from there. This update of the VMOS Pro is going to be with a premium account on it, or you won't need a premium, you won't need to create a premium account. You're gonna be able to use premium feature without paying nothing. It's gonna be already paid, so the link is gonna be available on the description of this video. Download from there and let's get started. But before getting started, I want to ask you, if you are not subscribed to my channel, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel with the notification to get notified about new video, and let's get started. So as I just said, this is the latest version of the VMOS Pro. Is a new update, and this update is gonna be with premium accounting on it. You won't need to create an account, so download, install on your Android device and open the application. It's gonna be just like this. Just click right over here on confirm to proceed. It's gonna be asking you to accept the terms and the privacy policy of this application. Go ahead and do it. Click on confirm. Swipe to the right to proceed. Swipe one more time to the right. Swipe one more time to the right to proceed, and click right over here. Enter VMOS. Enter VMOS Pro. Click on it. By doing that, it will appear this window. The VMOS Pro is going to be asking you to give the permission to the application. Go ahead and click right over here on this button. I don't know exactly what they're saying. It is in Chinese, so click on it. Give the permission to the application. It's going to be asking you to give the permission to the app. Yes, give you all the permission to the app. Click on allow. You don't need to worry about it. It won't hurt in your device. It's 100% safe. By doing that, it will appear this window where you're gonna be able to select the version of the VMOS Pro that you want. This is a premium account. This is the premium version of the VMOS Pro, and this is the free version of the VMOS Pro. As I said on the start of this video, this version of the VMOS Pro, you're gonna be able to use the premium feature on this update without paying nothing, without having an account on premium mode. Just select this one over here, premium mode, and you will have a full access of the VMOS Pro. You will have all the feature of the VMOS Pro, as you can see. VMOS Pro premium account created, working perfectly. You can download any kind of the room that you want. For example, this one is the VP room. You can download it for free. As you can see, it's downloading. Pretty simple. You can download any of this room without paying nothing. The link is gonna be available on the description of this video. As you can see, the application is working perfectly. You can do it. It's gonna be working on any Android device or any Android version. Okay, so if you want to install your own room, if you want to install a local room, just click right over here in the corner in this three dots. Click right over here on import local room. Click on it. You will have there this window. Just choose the room and click on it, and it's gonna be installed on your Android device. Just click on it, and it's gonna be installed on the VMOS Pro easily. Okay, as you can see, the room has initialized. Pretty cool, pretty simple. The VMOS Pro is working perfectly. A premium mode of the VMOS Pro latest version updated. Okay, so that was the video stuff from here. This video help you out. If this video help you out, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet. I give the notification to get notified about new video, and I see you guys on the next one. Peace out.